How can the Buddha help us? Will happiness and all my wishes be granted? Or can I become a Buddha simply by praying to the Buddha?
In Buddhism, it's not praying for outside. We have to pray for ourselves, because Buddha has shown us the path, but the happiness and the suffering is not created by outside force, but the suffering and the happiness is created by our own deeds. So the way to help is help ourselves be a better human being. Through the developing our own basic human qualities, we'll be able to achieve what we are seeking, what we are looking for. By praying to the deities or by praying to the Buddha, one will not get happiness as a gift. But we have to make our own efforts to make ourselves happy. We have to develop our own qualities, such as the love. We have to see what is the way to happiness. What is the way freeing our minds is that it's not from the outside. Of course, the prayers are also powerful. The prayers also work. I do not say the prayers or the rituals that we do does not work. It helps us in great extent. But the main help has to come from our own side, from our own efforts.